What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add Instagram-like filters to your images or photos into your WordPress website directly, okay? So, all for free in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on site's favors. So let's get this started. The very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword, we're gonna click into the search plugins and type easy Instagram filters. This is the first plugin, okay, like here on, click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on our site. But nothing left to do right here. All we have to do now is go to your page, move to your media section, okay? So review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Next to post, there is a media section. Right here we have to open the library or add a new media file, add a new photography, a new image, okay? I'm gonna move to library. So I would like to apply a filter into one of my previously uploaded pictures. Here is the photo. You're gonna select any photo of your gallery, okay? I would select this one. Now review the right side of my screen. Let me apply some zoom. Into the very bottom, next to the head button called delete permanently, there is an option to edit media details, okay? We're gonna click on it, okay? Now we're gonna scroll down until the end, and there is a new option called add image effects. Apply filter effects to image. Click on add. So here is the picture. We can apply some presets, for example grayscale, invert, brightness, or you can edit the adjustment one by one, red, blue, green, and every single part. Just change the option right here, wait a moment and see the magic happening, okay? Can you see the difference? So every single part can be edited right here. After doing your change, you need to set save to apply your change or click on reset to undo all your changes. Simple, easy and very effective. So you have an option now to add an Instagram-like image filter to your WordPress dashboard, and all for free. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Your Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net, the place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. The Sites.gallery, a place where you can promote your app, your game, your landing page. Everything can be promoted right here, awarded. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to your entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins and many more options to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!